halfway really, and we move into the next set of 5 awards. It's called Voice for the Voiceless Award for Outstanding Storytelling. Radio partner 91.9 Friends FM, the design partner Inner Circle Hip Hop, Joe Abdullah, showrunner Real Real, and supported by Northeast Development Initiatives, the Lady and Animus University. Friends, tonight we are privileged to welcome an iconic Calcutta. I have always said.
আমি ভালো টু অল দ্য কলকাতা পিপল হ্যালো নমস্কার আজকে যেটা বললেন কিছু অ্যাওয়ার্ড পেয়েছেন কিছু অনুষ্ঠানে যাওয়া হয় এটা আছে মানে যেমন বলছিলেন স্টেজে এইটা অ্যাওয়ার্ড নয় দিস ইজ আ ব্লেসিং মানে দিস ইজ অ্যান এন্ডোর্সমেন্ট কে আমি আই এম অন দ্য রাইট পাথ অ্যান্ড Menka ji has been a hero to many animal lovers, animal activists, everybody. She's one person who has a background. You always think that Menka ji है कि कहीं ना कहीं से अगर परमिशन नहीं मिले, अगर कोई FIR ना ले पुलिस स्टेशन में, अगर कोई कुछ करे ये करो, तो हमेशा मेनका जी हैं, गौरी जी हैं. आप फोन करो और it's not as if that they will not respond. They always respond. They've always been there. Even before I was Anupama, even before I was Rupali Ganguly, the actor, I have spoken to Menka ji. And to get this from her today, this recognition from her today, is a huge validation. Not only overwhelms, but humbles me completely. That, every time I say that when I get an award for Anupama, it's like it's dedicated to my unit. This one truly is dedicated to my husband, my son who's been with dogs, strays, okay, the homeless animals in the garden. I've left him from the time he was 13 days old, and he plays with dogs, and he just when people say ना आप अपने बच्चे को भेज के देखो जो रात को कुत्ते काटते हैं, मैं मेरे बेटे को भेजने को तैयार हूँ, आप बताइए कहाँ भेज. So and I'm sure he will go there and the dogs will just sit down and do nothing. Rudransh has his mother's love for animals, and be it snakes, be it elephants, any kind of animals, I think they like me. They think I'm their pet and they come to pet me. So yeah, and I'm blessed with a producer, Rajan Shahi ji, the one who's made Anupama, because he uses Anupama as a mouthpiece to promote kindness towards all living creatures. His daughter Rishika is a very, very big rescuer. I mean, her life is all about rescue and rehabilitate and feed. So, from this award is not just mine alone. It belongs to our entire animal feeder community, all the kutte wali mas, and all the people who work for compassion for the fur babies.
বলতে চাইবেন যেখানে একটা জায়গায় দাঁড়িয়ে people are running to remove the voice list এটা উল্টোটা হওয়া উচিত সেই জায়গাতে দাঁড়িয়ে কি
I don't understand when, on one hand, we say that our land is the land of kindness, of compassion. It is ahimsa parmo dharma, is what we've been taught. Jeev Daya is a way of life. It is not a hobby that we pick up. This is our way of life. This is our culture. This is our mool, our core of being an Indian, being a Hindu, being, even any religion, be it Muslims, be it Christianity, सब जगह पे यही सिखाया जाता है kindness, 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 kindness. Kindness is the common religion. I don't know why people fight over differences. So if we actually start saying कि we come from the land of kindness, and then to have such an order passed, I'm sorry, but the Honorable Supreme Court. Um, I think this order is ridiculous on skewed data, where whenever there's been a dog bite, I've been bitten by monkeys. So I think 5 injections that we take for rabies,
or every year that I take a booster dose is counted as one bite, which is ridiculous. And that only does not, all the data does not only include the stray dog bite cases, it also has pet dogs bite cases, it also has other animal bite cases, even if a rat has bitten you or even if a monkey has bitten you. It has an amalgamation of every data. Every injection is counted as one bite. So it is totally skewed. It doesn't make sense. The
আমরা যতদূর জানি বাংলা ছবি দিয়ে আপনার ডেবিউ করা,
Bolidan.
আবার টলিউডে হ্যাঁ আবার কি কাজ করার কোনো প্ল্যানিং আছে?
Why not? If I get something nice, নিশ্চয়ই। কিন্তু right now Anupama is my be all end all, কেন আমার বাচ্চারও এখানে আছে। So if something good comes up, why not? Because Bolidan and my first song Uri Uri Baba was Usha Ma, and also Sara Bhai ka title track was sung by her. So to meet her here was again such a good feeling. Thank you.